Today is a payday for Westpac shareholders as they get their final dividend for the financial year 2021. Hello and welcome to Kalkine TV. Glad to have your company today. I'm Sage and you're watching the Hot Performers Show. So in today's episode we're going to be looking at the ASX banking stock Westpac. So let's get started. And the Westpac Banking Corp banking giant planning is all set to pay its final dividend of financial year 2021 today, making it a payday for its shareholders. Let's have a look at its performance and what is in for the investors today. In the beginning of November this year, Westpac released its full year results for financial year 2021 and reported a 138% increase in statutory net profit and a 105% jump in cash earnings. And this was driven largely by a 144% increase in business segment cash earnings to $1,789 million, which was supported by a more modest 12% increase in Westpac's consumer business cash earnings to $3,081 million. And together with its strong balance sheet, this allowed Westpac to announce a $3.5 billion buyback and declare a fully franked final dividend of $2.2 billion or 60 cents per share. The latter brought its full year dividend to a total of 118 cents per share, which represents an increase of 280% over the COVID-impacted financial year 2020 dividend and a payout ratio of 62%. So what does the dividend look like? The financial scope for all the Westpac shareholders is looking good. It has been discerned that several brokers expect further dividend increases in the years to come. And based on the current Westpac share price of $21.01, this implies very generous yields of 5.9% and 7.7% respectively for investors over the next 2 financial years. For example, the team at Morgans, Australia's largest national full-service stockbroking and wealth management network, has chalked out a fully franked Westpac dividend of 123 cents per share in the financial year 2022 and then 162 cents per share in the financial year 2023. They also expect plenty of upside for Westpac's shares. It has been suggested that they could climb as much as 40% over the next 12 months. So let us now look at the falling share price of Westpac. Westpac's share price is under pressure. A number of major banks fell heavily following a very poor night of trade in the past few weeks. It has led to Westpac and the rest of the other big banks starting the week in the red. And Westpac's share is currently trading at $21.04 Australian. And now to sum it up. Despite the falling share price, Westpac recently announced the sale of its wholesale dealer loan book of approximately $1 billion in receivables to Angle Auto Finance. And management notes that this is the key milestone in its plan to sell its dealer finance and novated leasing businesses to Angle Auto Finance. And thanks for your company on that report, but that's all for now. We'll be back soon with the show to share the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock business and economy-related hot trends. Sage signing off for now.